As bright summer days ease into cozy autumn nights, an enchanting season emerges with hidden gems at every turn. Starting with the limited edition eyeshadow in 3 matte pigment-rich shades perfect for fall. Offer a luxe experience to the lipstick lovers on your list with 5 opulent new shades that drench lips in luscious hydration, rich color, and brilliant shine. For the confident, expressive woman in your life, Belara hits all the right notes. Gift the limited edition body lotion or the perfectly balanced limited edition fragrance and body bundle. And don't forget the men in your life. Refresh them from head to toe with a limited edition hair and body wash gift set in 2 fresh scents. Complete the experience by creating a gift bundle that includes one of the matching cologne sprays. Infuse the holidays with even more warmth and TLC with a pair of cozy, chic, fuzzy socks, free with the purchase of Mint Bliss Energizing Lotion for feet and legs. The season of gift giving is here, so shop Mary Kay and find beautiful surprises that enrich every wish.